Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google Drive with Asana. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're using Asana for project management. How do you actually go ahead and connect Google Drive with it so that it integrates more seamlessly? With Google Drive connected, there are tasks that can automatically be created. So in order to do this, let's first log on to our Asana account. Then in the upper right-hand corner, let's click on our profile icon, then click on Settings. Next, click on Apps, and then from here, you're going to scroll down and click on See All Apps. So what this is going to do is that it's going to show you all the apps that can integrate with Asana. So if you scroll down, Google Drive is actually one of the first apps here. But keep in mind that in order to install these apps, you do need to upgrade your Asana account. So if you click on Google Drive, it's actually going to prompt you to upgrade your account for certain add-ons, not for Google Drive. But with Google Drive, at least it's free. You can connect your Google Drive to Asana, and there you have it. There are some apps that are premium, which will require you to upgrade your Asana account, but there you have it. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect Google Drive with Asana. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.